Welcome back to Info Shorts channel. In this video, I will ask two AI tools to summarize Mr. Beast's last video for me. As you know, Mr. Beast has uploaded a challenge video with title, "Every Country on Earth Fights for $250,000. And as usual, this video went trend from the first day. The video, "Every Country on Earth Fights for $250,000. has made 65 million views in the first day. So let's go and try to learn something from it. I will use two AI tools that you can add them for free as extensions to Chrome browser. The first one is TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy gives you a complete overview about the video elements and performance. The second tool is WordTune. WordTune will summarize the video and gives you main highlights about the video. If you already added them, you will find them in the extensions shortcut. Or, go to Chrome Options menu and select Extensions. Then search for each one, and once you find it, add it to your browser extensions. Now, let's go and use them to analyze Mr. Beast video. This is what TubeBuddy gives you. A complete analysis about number of views, likes, platforms that used adding to YouTube to boost the video, ranks, and tags if there is tags used. Also, it gives you a full overview about the channel, so you can get benefit from it in your next video. Now, let's jump to WordTune AI tool. Click on the WordTune icon. Automatically, it generates main highlights for you and summarize the video. Click on Load All Key Points for loading more. The target here is not to steal the script because it's copyrighted, but to give you some ideas. You can download them as Word document, or you can open them in the website for more features. That's all for today. Hope you get benefit and be like Mr. Beast in future. See you soon.